Hey, so if you're handling customer support, yeah, Zoho Desk can make managing tickets way more organized and stress-free. In this guide, I'll show you how to use it step by step. Alright, first, log into your Zoho account and open Zoho Desk from your app's dashboard. Once you're in, click on Tickets. This is where all customer support requests are managed. You can either view incoming tickets or manually create one if a customer contacts you directly. Now assign tickets to team members so each issue is handled by the right person. Yeah, this keeps support fast and organized. Set priority levels like high, medium, or low, and update status like open, in progress, or closed. You can reply directly inside the ticket using email or chat, so all communication stays in one place. If needed, add internal notes for your team. Customers won't see these, but your agents will. You can also set automation rules to assign tickets, send replies, or escalate issues automatically. Finally, use reports to track response time, ticket volume, and team performance. And yeah, that's it. Zoho Desk makes customer support smoother once your workflow is set up properly.